Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So recently I posted my pictures of convocation and I was really not expecting these many questions regarding my college. So a lot of you have been asking me about how is the ABS placement, how is the campus of ABS, is there a lot of strictness in the campus? So I thought instead of replying to all these questions individually, I'll rather make a video and answer all these questions here. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Ayushi Tyagi and I have completed my BTech from ABS in CS department. I got two offers from my college. One was for Infosys and the other one was for Accenture. I joined Infosys because the joining of Accenture came a little bit late. So let's start off with the very basic questions. How is the campus and infrastructure of ABS? The campus is around 17 acres and it has a really big sports ground which a lot of people rent for their cricket games. It has a swimming pool, it has basketball courts, and I still remember that during those 4 years I didn't like my college that much. And when I visited other colleges, I realized our college is pretty good in infrastructure, so I will give ABS that credits for. Now coming to admissions and cutoff. Admissions usually happen through JEE main rank or AKTU counseling, but there is also management quota and you can go to the college in via direct admission also if you have a good percentage in JEE and boards. But I think a lot of people have asked me this question that if you have 75% in your boards, can you get into CSE? See, it all depends on how you will put it in counseling. And I think if you have 75% in either boards or JEE, you can get CSDS in the college. For CSE, the cutoff changes every year. In my time, it was 2.8 lakhs to 4.3 lakhs. And I think for AIML, it is 2.8 to 4.2 lakhs. I will put other streams right here, the DS, ECE, EE, and mechanical. So I think if you have a decent percentage in your board marks, you can definitely get into ABS. It's not really that hard. A lot of students and parents are worried about what the fee structure is. So the tuition fees of ABS is 1.7 lakhs and the hostel fees is around 1.3 lakh for non-AC and 1.7 lakh for AC rooms. So I think the tuition fees is pretty reasonable as compared to other colleges, but the hostel fees is a little expensive. So now it is your choice. If you combine everything, it is a pretty good deal for private colleges. There are multiple scholarships in the college. The first one is UP scholarships, then fee waiver. You can get the fees like I think at a quarter of the entire fees if you are eligible for that. I remember a lot of students in my class who had like 90% above in their JEE percentile. Their fees was around 35,000 at our time, so it was a pretty good deal for them. ABS also has EWS benefits and category based scholarships for SC, ST, and OBC. If you are eligible for this, you can definitely apply for these scholarships. Now let's come to the college life that everyone wanted to know. So a lot of people think that AKTU colleges don't have a college life. Well, that is slightly true, but in ABS, we have two main flagship fests. First one is Genro, then second one is Technical Fest, the Tech Fest. We have freshers and farewell, which now they're conducting on a very huge scale. Like they combine all the students and then they do it on a stage. At our times, they were not doing that. After we left the college, they started doing that, so I'm pretty jealous for that. Then we have different clubs and societies. Most of my best memories are actually of these participating in the competitions and enjoying in these fests and concerts rather than just spending time in my classes. So I really hope that you guys make really good memories, good friends in your college. और मैं आप लोगों को एक चीज़ बताना चाहती हूँ, अगर आपकी रैंक 1.5 2 3 4 तक भी जाती है तो बेटर कॉलेजेस के लिए ट्राई करते रहो. काउंसलिंग में बैठो, काउंसलिंग की लास्ट लिस्ट तक का वेट करो क्योंकि कॉलेजेस से बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. मैं आपको बेटर कॉलेजेस की लिस्ट लास्ट में दे दूंगी और कुछ बोनस पॉइंट्स भी बताऊंगी, तो वीडियो में लास्ट तक रुके रहना. A lot of questions were like, is ABS strict? Yes. Do they have attendance criteria? Yes, they have attendance criteria of 75%. So you have to attend the classes in ABS, you have to wear a uniform. First year is usually more strict than the later years, and also the strictness keeps on changing, I think, depending on the rules. So do talk to the people who are currently there, they will tell you more about this. Apart from that, हमारे टाइम पे क्या होता था कि 75% अटेंडेंस अगर किसी की नहीं पूरी होती थी तो हमारे जो टेस्ट्स होते थे उसके बाद एंड में हमें एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस के लिए बुलाते थे। तब वो शायद एक अटेंडेंस को 2 काउंट करके हमारी अटेंडेंस बढ़ा देते थे। मैं मतलब उसमें नहीं बैठी हूँ, पर काफ़ी बच्चों की ऐसे अटेंडेंस उन्होंने बढ़ाई है, तो ये चीज़ पॉसिबल है। बाकी देखो, AKTU के जितने भी कॉलेजेस हैं मोस्टली स्ट्रिक्ट हैं, तो अगर आप इन कॉलेजेस में जाते हो तो आप थोड़ा मेक श्योर करो, आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा 4 साल, आपको थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्टली रूल्स फॉलो करने पड़ेंगे, इनके असाइनमेंट्स करने पड़ेंगे, कॉलेज आना पड़ेगा, तो ये चीज़ें तो रहेंगी। बट बाकी आप अपना एंजॉय करो जैसे भी करते हो। The faculty that I studied with has mostly changed now. There are much younger professors now. At our times, the faculty, some people were good, some were average, and which is the same case in a lot of colleges. But mostly studying in colleges in your hands. You cannot depend on the faculty. You have to study everything on your own. For clearing exams, there was quantum which we studied, and for placements, you will have to study on your own. Now, finally, let's come to the most important part of this video, placements. As I mentioned earlier, I got campus placement of Infosys and Accenture. The average package of ABS is 4 to 5 LPA. The median package is 5 LPA. And you will usually see very high numbers that the ABS college advertises with. Most of the AKTU colleges advertise with them. They are usually exceptional cases and are done by off-campus placements. This year, ABS's highest package was 60 LPA, which was obviously off-campus. ABS's original highest package is with 18 LPA, I think, which is Cisco. These are all these companies that come in ABS college. Most of them are mass hiring, and few of them with very high packages will only take like 1 or 2 students. So we can see that ABS can provide you opportunities, but placements are ultimately in your hands. If you are doing coding, internships, you have good communication skills, and you're doing aptitude, then you can definitely get placed. But if you're only relying on the college, then it will be a little difficult for you. The placement cell of ABS is decent, but you cannot depend on them. You have to prepare yourself. I think you should really rely on yourself if you're going to ABS. The branches that ABS is offering this year are CS, CSAIML, CSDS, ECE, and ME. But they have increased a lot of sections. I think in one branch they have like 18 sections of 60 to 70 students at this point. So they are hiring numbers this year. As the college is autonomous, that generally means that there is a more flexible academic structure and also better grading than AKTU related systems. So you will get better CGPA. Your CGPA will not be an issue when the college is autonomous. Now this is the last part of the video where we will compare ABS with other colleges, and I will give you some bonus points regarding these college hunt things. So if you are getting JSS, or if you're getting JIIT, if you're getting KITE, if you're getting GL Bajaj, go for them. But if you're getting AKG, then ABS has a little bit better infrastructure. They're almost on the same level. It's your choice after that. If you're looking for a distance purpose, if the college is closer than you, then go for that. So you will also have time for studying, because the companies that come in all of these colleges are pretty similar. The placement is in your hands. So is ABS worth it or not? It is worth it if you are going for a CSA related branch, and if you want the campus to look good infrastructure wise, and also if you are ready to work on your skills on your own. It's not worth it if you are entirely dependent on the college for placement, and if you're expecting like IIT or NIT level placement from the college. आपको मैं एक चीज़ क्लियर बता देती हूँ, अगर आप किसी AKTU रिलेटेड कॉलेज में जा रहे हो तो सब चीज़ें आपको खुद करनी पड़ेंगी। दिन के 2 घंटे लगा के कोडिंग करनी पड़ेगी। जो भी कोडिंग के क्लब्स हैं वो ज्वाइन कर लो, क्योंकि काफ़ी सीनियर्स उस चीज़ में आपकी हेल्प कर सकते हैं। बाकी सीनियर्स से बना के रखो जिनकी ऑलरेडी इंटर्नशिप्स लग रही हैं या फिर कुछ अच्छी प्लेसमेंट्स हो रही हैं। इंटर्नशिप्स ABS में कुछ मतलब 4th ईयर में तो वो कराते ही हैं अपनी तरफ से, पर वो इतनी वर्थ इट नहीं होती। अगर आप 1st, 2nd या 3rd ईयर में एक इंटर्नशिप ले सकते हो तो उसके लिए ट्राई करो, सीनियर्स की हेल्प लो, कहीं से कुछ ट्राई करो कि अगर वो आप कर सको अच्छी कंपनी में। उसके लिए आपकी कोडिंग स्किल्स मैटर करेंगी, और कोई भी एक स्किल साथ में अगर उठा लो, कुछ भी उठा लो, शुरू से शुरू करना पड़ेगा पर उसको। मतलब जब सारे बच्चे क्लास की चीज़ें पढ़ रहे होंगे, उससे अलग जाके आपको कोई एक स्किल लेनी पड़ेगी. आजकल एआई चल रहा है, पर डेवलपमेंट भी आप सीख सकते हो, आप फुल स्टैक सीख सकते हो, फ्रंट एंड बैक एंड, कोई भी स्ट्रीम, कोई भी मतलब एक स्किल उठा के आप सीख सकते हो. यूट्यूब पे सब अवेलेबल है, यूडेमी पे अवेलेबल है, कई कोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं. आपको कुछ ना कुछ अलग करना पड़ेगा जो कॉलेज पढ़ा रहा है उससे, क्योंकि जो वो पढ़ाते हैं वो तो प्लेसमेंट्स में नहीं पूछा जाता है जनरली. ओवरऑल ABS इज अ decent college under AKTU. It is not perfect, but it's not as bad as people say it to be. And at the end of the day, your career will depend on you and what skills you are learning. And that's my honest review after spending 4 years in this college. So that's it for this video. If you still have any questions or queries, then you can comment down below or you can send me a DM on my Instagram, which I've mentioned. अगर आपको किसी और कॉलेज का रिव्यू चाहिए तो आप उसके लिए भी कमेंट कर सकते हो. अगर आपने वीडियो लास्ट तक देखी है तो थैंक यू सो मच, आई रियली अप्रिशिएट इट. अभी मेरे पास माइक नहीं है, पर अगर ये चल जाती है तो मैं माइक ले लूँगी, नहीं चलेगी तो देखूँगी. बाकी hit like, comment and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram. I will put the link below. And thank you. Okay, bye.